Hello children, let us do the problems from exercise 4.3. Here we want to construct a quadrilateral MOR where MO is given as 6 cm, OR is given as 4.5, angle M is 60, angle O 105, angle R is 105. For that I draw a rough figure. First we want to draw MO with the 6 cm. So let us place the ruler, then measure 6 cm and draw a line segment. So here this is 6 cm. Name it as MO. So it is 6 cm. Then take the protractor. Since angle M is 60 degree, so place the protractor at the point M and measure 60 degree. Here 60 degree from this side and here it is 60. Then draw a line through that point that measure 60 degree. Here it is 60 degree. We want to mark it 60 degree. Then measure 105 degree from the point O. So here place the protractor and 105. Where is 105? So from this it is 105, not from this. Since the angle measured here it is 0. So from this we want to measure 0, 10, etc. Then 105. Here it is 105 degree. Then through that point also we want to draw line segment. Then we want to draw line segment through the point O. Then since the measure is 4.5, so take the compass and measure 4.5 in the scale and mark it 4.5. So it is 4.5 and from O we want to mark 4.5. Then from this point we want to take 105. So here place the protractor at the point where we mark 4.5, then place the protractor and 105. So from this we want to mark 105. So it is 90, 105. Here it is 100, then here it is 105. Then through that point we want to draw a line. So look into that one. Then we got the quadrilateral MORA. First we draw line segment MO with the measure 6 cm. Then from O take 60 degree. Then draw a line. And from O we want to take 105 degree. From this we want to measure 4.5 cm. Then draw the arc. Then mark the point. Then here we want to measure 105. Then draw the line. That two line segment join at a point. That is the point E. That means we got the quadrilateral MORE. Then second question is, we want to construct the quadrilateral plan. For that first we want to draw a rough figure, then name it as plan, PLAN, where PL is given as 4 cm, LA is given as 6.5 cm, angle P is 90 degree, angle A is 110 degree, angle N is 85 degree. So from this, how can we construct this one? So here angle P is given, angle N is given, angle A is given. So we didn't get the measure of angle L, but we know that total measure, that is angle P plus angle L plus angle A plus angle N is equal to 360 degree. But here P plus N plus A, that is 110 plus 85 plus 90 plus angle L is equal to 360. Then what is the sum? 285 plus angle L is equal to 360 degree. Therefore, angle L is equal to 360 minus 285. So it is 75 degree. Then, as in the previous case, first we want to draw the line segment PL with a measure 4 centimeter. Then from P we want to take 90 degree. From L we want to take 75. Then mark the point where 6.5 centimeter from L. After that, mark the point A such that A should be at a distance of 6.5 centimeter. And also from A we want to draw 110 degree. Then join that point. The same we completed in the previous problem. Since we want to find the measure of L, since angle N is given as 85 degree, only the difference in between these two.